you, but you close your mind.
I love that how you let down.
So much you say, the words are hard to find.
Oh,
You're running out of stamina. I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light. We can
I
bring
didn't
back
expect the
my
ice
first
cream
life.
It's really
Guys, really good here. What is up, beautiful people? Good morning from Marisa, Sri Lanka. Good morning.
Good morning,
yes. No, good. Thank you. All right. I woke up a little bit late than yesterday today, guys. Pumarte kasi ako kagabi. Niyaya ako ng mga kasama ko sa hostel. Yun. Puyat. But wow, guys, I did not expect. Hindi ko na vlog kagabi kasi empty bat yung GoPro ko. So hindi ko na charge yung GoPro. Anyhow, wow, the party was really great. I mean, I did not expect Sri Lanka na may ganito pala din ka hard. Hindi man siya hardcore pero siya parang what is this? Something. Wow. Na may ganito ka hardcore na parang party scene pala sa Sri Lanka. Nice little minivans. Hello, good morning. Nice. Wow. Nice little tuk-tuk with bread, guys. Oh, today is like today is like wow, mangoes, so fresh. Na may ganito pala ka nice na parang party, guys. Kasi masaya. Kasi parang Siargao yung ano, parang Siargao yung vibe ng party, ganun. This is good. I really enjoyed it. Morning. Wow. Alright guys, so now I'm heading to the Shady Lane Cafe. Apparently it's the most famous cafe here. And sabi nung kasama ko kahapon, they really have a good coffee, guys, and really nice breakfast. But I am sort of lost right now again. Ay, bakit lagi ako naliligaw? It's not in those days though. Alright, seems like we're almost there, guys. Really nice weather today. Ayun na naman ang sipon ko. This is the one, right? Morning. Alright guys, so here we are. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you go to the party last night?
No.
No?
We are not party people.
Ah, okay, okay. That's good. Sleep is better. Oh, nice, man. Really nice t-shirt here. Shady Marisa. Oh, nice. 5,000. 5,000. So mga nasa ano guys, for $20. Hello. Hi. Really nice. This is women's. It's for men's. Shady Lane. Yeah, nice. Oh, nice. I might get one. Sri Lanka. Oh, I might get one later. So my intention here, guys, for coffee and breakfast. How much is one t-shirt like this? 6,000. Do you accept card or just cash? Card is okay. Okay, let me go breakfast first. Oh, this is nice. You know, guys, I'm really attracted to beige colors. Yeah, so this is already it. Here, let's do it.
Are you filming?
I'm doing vlog. Yeah.
Nice.
Where do you stay?
I need 1 more minute. Not sure yet. Thank you.
You can inform me, okay?
Thank you.
Did you go to the party last night?
No,
Nah.
so tired.
You just arrived in
I
Marisa?
came from Yucatan.
Ricatia.
Yeah. And we surfed in the morning and all day, so it was very good.
Oh, you're a good
Yeah.
surfer.
No, I'm a beginner.
Beginner,
I mean,
yeah.
I'm trying.
Yeah, so you can do it alone without someone like
Yeah,
pushing
yeah.
you. Oh, great.
Yeah.
I still need someone to push me.
Yeah. It's
still have.
hard.
Yeah, it's really difficult to catch the waves. Really got a lot of mosquito here. Yeah?
How much time do you surf?
No, I mean I just do it for fun actually when
Yeah.
only in the Philippines when I try to. I'm from the Philippines,
Nice.
so every time I get a chance to go home,
Yeah.
we have this beautiful island called Siargao.
Oh, I have a friend that lives for a month and a half now there.
In Siargao.
In Siargao.
Oh really?
Just to surf. A lot of Israelis. I'm from Israel. A lot of Israeli likes this island. A lot. I mean, maybe you see Israeli there. No?
Yeah, maybe.
Wait, you live here or there?
No, I live in Singapore for work. Yeah, I'm working in Singapore, but yeah, I'm in the Philippines. I try to go home in the Philippines every like once, twice a year.
Yeah.
You want
What's your
some?
name? Yes, I would love some. Because they're by you.
I'm Joe.
Joe.
You?
I'm Noah. Noah.
How do you
Nice to
spell
meet
that?
you. N-O-A.
N-O-A. Oh
Yeah.
wow.
First?
Okay. I'll get a hot flat white, please.
Okay.
And then sorry, which one's better? Cinnamon French toast or the banana pancakes?
I like cinnamon French toast.
Alright,
Sounds
sounds good.
good.
Yes, okay. Let me get that one.
Cinnamon French toast.
Yeah.
You can choose the topping from here.
Oh, okay.
Then one sauce, 2 fruits, and one side.
Okay. So to choose.
Yeah. Well, I also have a question for you.
Yes.
What is better, the chocolate dream or the mango matcha?
I like chocolate dream.
Chocolate dream.
Yes.
Okay, so I would have the
Chia.
chia pudding with the
Chocolate
chocolate dream.
dream.
Yeah, sounds good. And I would like black tea, please,
Yeah.
with coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Alright.
Current gaya yake? Current gila.
How do we reach that?
Yeah, you can start. Black tea.
Okay.
Alright.
For me, thank you.
Tea's here. Second? Flat white, yes please. Thank you.
Nice. And the coconut. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright guys. Ito na yung food namin. Looks really great.
Yeah.
Cinnamon toast with chocolate,
With banana.
salt and banana, and
Yeah.
what is this?
Coconut white cream.
Coconut white cream. Or
Yeah.
mine is a banana as well, but with a salted caramel, strawberries, and ice cream, guys, in the morning. Oh my god. Alright, so let's dig in. Oh yeah, by the way, my friend Noah here. Noah. Alright. Alright, let's dig in.
Looks really good.
Oh wow.
I love that how you let the waitress decide for you. It's really nice.
Oh, she did a good job.
Yeah, definitely.
But I didn't expect the ice cream though. Alright guys, we are at the Turtle Bay right now. Trying to catch some beautiful turtles. It's some nice fish and corals right there.
So we've rented out a gears, keep us floating. Thanks to our brother here. Thank you, bro, for putting on my lotion. Let's go.
Yeah, ready?
Let's do it.
I've tried to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina, I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light, we could reignite like fireflies.
You know guys, my bus, I don't know if it's going to Gale. Unawatuna? Alright. Unawatuna. Alright. Maybe I took this one here. Sabi nung sa taga-hostel, yung bus daw, biyahe pa ano lang, mga 30 minutes to 1 hour. Kasi magpatakbo yung mga bus driver dito, parang ano, papalipat nila yung bus sa bilis. Yeah, may conductor din guys na nagko-collect ng ano. The advantage guys, buti na nagbackpack talaga ako. Easy. Unawatuna. Alright. How much? 400. Alright guys, 400 papuntang Unawatuna. Mas mura pa sa tuk-tuk galing beach papuntang hostel. Kanina siningil ako ng ano, siningil ako ng 500. Talaga na ano yun. Mangingilid talaga yung mga tuk-tuk dito guys. There you go.
Buy no.
500.
Modera buy ng modera.
So may supply akong 100. Alright guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have just arrived in Unawatuna, Sri Lanka. Time check, it's 3:30, so it's less than an hour guys lang yung biyahe. Now I need to find a I don't know, I don't have Wi-Fi. Yung ano ko guys, yung internet ko ubos na. So I need to get data first. I think it's SIM card is
A few moments later.
Bro, do you have toilet? Can I go pee? No? I need to pee. Can I pee outside? My network. Oh yeah, dialogue. How much? And bro, sorry, I need to go toilet. I need to pee first. Huh? Guys, ingihina ako kanina pa sa bus. Sorry guys, where can I pee? I wanna pee. Do you have like a toilet to pee?
Be in the road.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Pee in there, it's okay. Police will not catch me. Okay, pee in a row there. Yeah. Yeah. Can I pee there?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Okay.
Police won't catch me? Okay. You're the police? You're the police, okay. Okay guys, as in ihina ako. Hindi ko na kaya. So, dito. Umiyak ako sa kalsada, Pinos lang. Okay guys, I'm peeing at the road. People are looking at me. Alright. Perfect. Alright, success. Thank you so much. Huh? Alright guys, I managed to buy data 2 gig for 240 rupees, which is around $1. $1 lang guys, grabe. Okay, now we are heading to the hotel. I don't know if I did the correct right. Sama pa talaga sa ano guys, directions. Yep, I think it's correct. So the local said it's just this way is the beach direction, so we should be going in the right way. All right guys. Hello. So welcome to Unawatuna, Sri Lanka. We're on the beach of Unawatuna. Nice golden sand right here. Medyo iba yung sand dito guys kesa sa Mirisa. Mirisa is more, well, it's also golden. Same as here. I've never seen a white beach here in Sri Lanka yet, and I don't think there is one. So this is a very long stretch of beach in Unawatuna, and there's actually one more. This is a little bit farther, called Miripihana Beach, which when I checked the photos guys, the water is much bluer than here. But to be fair, I think the water here generally is much better than Mirisa. Mirisa is mostly medyo dark siya. There's only certain spots that has a little bit of bluish color. Here medyo all the same level of blue color. Probably during daytime guys, maybe during like yung sunlight, medyo siguro mas blue yung water. But this time not so blue because siguro nag ano na yung sunset. I'm a little bit tempted to swim right now guys, kaso galing na ako kanina nag sea turtle, and medyo nahilo ako dun sa sea turtle viewing na yun. Lakas kasi ng alon, so medyo naalog-alog yung alimpatakan ko doon. Oh yeah, I see coffee here. Top Ruban Beach restaurant. Alright. You can sit down from here. Here's our flight, yeah. Thanks man. I just need coffee. I'm so tired. You have flat white? That's it. Okay, alright, cappuccino then. Yeah, thank you.